How about a whiskey?
Oh, I had a really rough day, and it's Friday. What drink can I have?
How about a whiskey Fanta? It's a great way to relax.
Yeah, not a bad idea actually. I'll try that.
Fantastic. Enjoy and have a great evening.
So, here's my Fanta. Let's make the cocktail, the drink. I need it. I had a really long day. Whoopsie. I almost broke my. Oh no, it's safe and sound. So, yeah, it's Friday, as I mentioned earlier, but it's been a bit of a hard day for me. Uh, my coworker just sending me random emails throughout the day on a Friday. Come on, I mean, who works on a Friday? Everyone should. And it was a sunny day in London, so even worse if you're gonna text me on a Friday, better do it during the week. And like he just kept asking me questions about some stuff that we have a deadline like in 2 weeks. So yeah, he's a bit nervous, but like there's nothing I can do. I'm just working till 5:30. But yeah, he's just giving me a bit of a rough time. But anyway, I really like that suggestion. I'm going a bit more on the whiskey to wash away the day. But you can put as much as you want. And I had a spare Fanta in my fridge. So yeah, nice and easy one. Just pour your whiskey, a bit of Fanta, and now I'm gonna make it a bit cute. So I have had a blood orange as well. I'm gonna use that just to treat myself. Yeah, maybe. Let's leave it there. And give it a swirl. And there you go. Easy peasy drink. And it tastes really nice. I'm gonna go and enjoy this and enjoy the rest of my night. Cheers.